This is a simple dish that is delicious for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I'm Tess, and today I'm making fried potatoes with onions and peppers. I'll show you the secret to getting the potatoes a nice golden brown. Stay tuned. I'm making breakfast and decided to fry potatoes with onions and bell peppers. It's a simple side dish, and I wanted to show you some tips on how to get nice golden brown potatoes. I have 4 russet potatoes that I peeled and diced into about 1/4 inch cubes. Yukon Gold potatoes are also really good to use. I soaked the potatoes in cold water overnight, but you can soak them for a good 2 to 3 hours before frying. The potatoes will release excess starch, and this helps to get them a golden brown. After soaking, you want to rinse and drain the potatoes really well and then lay them out on a towel to absorb any excess water. You want the potatoes dry before frying. This is also a really important step in making good crispy French fries. You can use any skillet, but I think a cast iron pan is a must for frying potatoes. The potatoes cook nice and even and just seem to taste extra good. I have my heat on a medium-high heat, and that is an 8 on my electric stove. My pan is nice and hot, and I'm adding enough vegetable oil to coat the bottom. In goes my potatoes, and spreading out evenly. I'm letting these cook for a good 3 minutes without stirring. You want to give the heat a chance to recover and the potatoes to form a nice crust. Just a reminder that I will leave the recipe and the list of ingredients for the fried potatoes with onions and peppers below this video. Also remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video recipe, and click the bell to make sure you receive notification of all my future video recipes. Give the potatoes a stir and again just evenly spread out. Let them cook for another 1 to 2 minutes before stirring. You will start to see a nice golden crust form. You can get these as brown and crispy as you like. I'm adding in the diced onions and cooking for 2 minutes, occasionally stirring. Now the bell peppers, cooking and stirring for another minute. I have about 1 more minute of cooking time, and I'm adding in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a sprinkle of black pepper, a sprinkle of garlic powder, and a sprinkle of paprika, and I'm just eyeballing this to taste. Giving that a good stir to combine and cooking for 1 minute. And we are ready to eat. I'm serving the fried potatoes, onions, and peppers with some bacon and scrambled eggs. Now that is a hearty man breakfast. You can also serve this as a side dish for lunch or dinner. Real simple and real good. I hope you give the fried potatoes with onions and peppers a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love.